How can I abuse you?
You cannot help me, man. Why you are barking?
I've been talking like this. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello.
How can I abuse you?
No, sir, you can't.
Is this the Bakri Chode call center? Bah. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
How can I abuse you?
Oh, no. This is just an informatory call for a new subsidy released in your state, which you can qualify for. I just need to confirm if you are already getting any government coverage like Medicaid or Medicare.
No!
Perfect. So you are eligible for the free subsidy and essential benefits. Let me connect you to a specialist in your state to do this for you. Please hold.
I look forward to speaking with the specimen about getting some subsidies.
Yeah, hi, this is Tom. How are you doing today?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm also doing great, sir. Thanks for asking. Sir, your call is connected to me, so let me tell you that your state has recently updated all new health benefits and subsidies in your area. So I do believe you don't have Medicare, Medicaid, or any insurance through military. Is that right?
I don't have Medicare. I don't have Medicaid. And even though I was once in the military, I don't have VA or TRICARE. What happened is I was stationed as a guard at the U.S. Embassy in Islamabad, and I got a call from my aunt in America. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hey, this is Alex. How are you doing today?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm fantastic. Good to know that. Basically, this call is about car warranty. I believe you're the car owner, am I right?
Can you repeat your question?
You're the car owner.
Yes, I own a car.
What's the year, make, and model?
It's 6 years old, so that means it was made in 2019. It's a Chrysler 300.
And how many miles do you have on this car?
60,000.
Okay. Do you have another car or truck beside this one?
Can you repeat your question? What do I have?
Do you have another car or this one?
No, this is my only car.
Okay. So, sir, right now within this 5-year policy, we are going to be providing you with roadside assistance and daily maintenance as well. In this 5-year policy, we are going to be cover your all technical and mechanical breakdown in your car, like your car engine, transmission, transaxle, drive axle, your car steering, electrical plus, suspension, heating and cooling system. In short, except tires, each and every part of your car will be covered in this policy. So you are the owner of the car, may I right?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have another kind of warranty on this car?
No, it expired a short time ago.
Okay. Just keep in mind some policy is accepted at any licensed repair facility or dealership of your choice nationwide. The nice part is the plan even comes with roadside assistance, so you have a towing, rental, and lodging at no additional cost. Is your 5-digit zip code?
I could definitely use some roadside assistance. My super code is 48126.
48126, okay. 48126. So for the first 15 months, we have a maintenance package as well. This maintenance package includes 3 complimentary oil change, tune-up, brake pads, tire rotation, wheel alignment, and fluid brushes. So can you spell there what's your last name?
My last name is Grinnell.
GRINNELL, right?
Yes.
Okay. And what's your first name?
Robert.
Robert. Okay. Robert Ginel. So Robert Ginel, your car has been qualified for additional benefits. I have a verification department on the line. He will assist you further how this policy works and how much it will be cost, and send your all information in your mailing address. So what is your best mailing address?
My mailing address is 5500 Calhoun Street, Unit 666, Dearborn, Michigan 48126. You want to include the Unit 666 or I'll have a devil of a time getting my mail.
Okay. 550666 Dearborn, Michigan, right?
So 5500 Calhoun Street, Unit 666, Dearborn, Michigan. You want to include the Unit 666 or I'll have a devil of a time getting my mail.
Calhoun State, Unit 666, Dearborn, Michigan. Dearborn, Michigan. Okay. So I will connect your call to my verification department. He will assist you how this policy works and how much it will be cost, alright?
Okay, I look forward to speaking with the vegetarian department.
Give me a moment.
Okay.
Thanks for holding on. This is Steve from Verification Department. How are you? Doing good?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm good, sir. Thanks for asking. I'm talking to Robert, right? Robert?
Yes.
All right, Robert. It's about the warranty on your car, as my representative mentioned to you. You got 2019 Chrysler 300, 60,000 miles on it, right?
Yes.
Okay. So basically, we have to send the paperwork out to your mailing address about the coverage plan, about the warranty. I got your mail here. 5500 Sean Street, and it's in Michigan 48126, right?
And it's 5500 Calhoun Street, Unit 666, Dearborn, Michigan. You want to include the Unit 666 or I'll have a devil of a time getting my mail.
Okay. I will put the unit 666. Got it, sir. All right, Robert. What I can do for you is I can mail the paperwork out, and I think my representative mentioned a small processing fee of one you have to put today. It's a processing fee for sending the paperwork out with the documents. You have 30 days. If you like it, that's okay. Otherwise, your $1 would be refunded back. And I'm quite sure you can afford the dollar, right?
Yes.
So how will you put the dollar? You have Visa card or MasterCard?
Oh, I have a Masturbate card. It's upstairs. It'll take a few moments for me to get there. You move a bit slow
Oh.
when you're 74, so I'm climbing the stairs.
What's the expiration?
Excuse me, that happens every time I smoke Hindu Kush. Just another set of stairs.
Okay, what's the expiration date on it?
I haven't gotten to the card yet. I'm making my way towards it. It's upstairs. So I'm heading heading towards the place where I keep the card. Hello?
Okay, I will put you on hold. When you got the card, you can let me know. Okay?
Well, actually, I'm 3 seconds away here. I'm opening up the drawer.
Okay.
I'm digging through the drawer. Okay, I'm putting on my glasses. So I have the Masturbate card in my hand. It's a little bit sticky. Do you have a penis and paper to write it down with?
Yes, I have it.
Okay, here it is.
On it?
Air Wally, sorry, Bolo, Ron Wally, sorry, Bolo, Pasha, Wally, sorry, Bolo, Ben Chod, Photo Wally, Bolo, Ben Chod, Mergi Anda Chodo, Gada, Ben Chod, Jackie, Rocky, Paki, Bolo, Ben Chod, Gali, Boli, Mary, Quail, Saya, Taya, Mary, Quail, Picha, Picha, Pelia, Ata, Ben Chod, How Dari, Cholo, Bolo, Ben Chod, Ruti, Rumi, Churo, Bising, Ben Chod, Jadu Dano, Joro Bolo Ben Chod, Neta Ni Jay Choda Chati Choda Bolo, Dada 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 Ben Chod, Chansa Sitaran Bolo Ben Chod, Nadi Sati Sari Bolo Ben Chod, Bolo Bashi Sari Bolo Ben Chod, Air Wally
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
How can I abuse you?
Oh, no. This is just an informatory call for a new subsidy released in your state, which you can qualify for. I just need to confirm if you are already getting any government coverage like Medicaid or Medicare.
No!
Perfect. So you are eligible for the free subsidy and essential benefit. Let me connect you to a specialist in your state to do this for you. Please hold.
I look for... Hello? 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 Hello?
Hey, hi, this is Zach with Financial Healthcare for Seniors. How are you doing today?
I'm okay. How are you?
Great. I'm with American Benefits, and this in our record shows that you may qualify for state-regulated final expense insurance plan. That's going to cover 100% cost of your funeral, burial, and cremation expenses. Now, are you between the age of 50 to 80?
Yes!
So how old are you?
I'm 74!
Do you make your own financial decisions?
I've been making my own decisions ever since I fired my caseworker, Sharon Needles, and ever since I fired my lawyer, Perry Mason. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
How can I abuse you? Is this the Bakri Chode call center? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello.
How can I abuse you?
Thank you so much for taking my call. My name is Jason, calling from Home Services. How are you doing today? Doing good?
I'm okay. How are you?
I am good, sir. Thank you so much for asking me. God give long life and good health. This short call is that we're running a great promotion about home improvement. And I believe you're the homeowner, right?
Yes.
Great. Some of the people from the area are ready to repair their houses. In your house is selected to receive.
Can you repeat your question? What was your question? Oh, it's suddenly... Go ahead.
Can you hear me?
Now I hear you.
Hello?
Yes, I hear you.
My name is Jason, calling from Home Services. How are you doing today? Doing good?
Yes.
Great. As with this short call is let you know, we're running a great promotion about home improvements. And I believe you're the homeowner, right?
Yes.
Great. Most of the people from your area are ready to renovate their houses. In your house is selected to receive a free, no obligation pricing estimate for home improvement. So which part of your home you're thinking of improve, like your windows, roofing, heating, cooling, bathroom, kitchen, flooring, siding?
Well, what I need improved is in my basement. I have this dry well made out of field stone held together by mortar. And at the bottom, I like to keep women prisoner there. And I often like to yell into the bottom of the dry well, "It puts the lotion on its skin." or else it gets the hose again. Put the goddamn lotion on your skin. And what's happening is the women are using their fingernails to try to climb out of the dry well, and they're scratching up the mortar between the field stones. And I need a mason who's going to fix the mortar but not call the police on me. So can you help me? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hi, my name is Danny. How are you doing today?
I'm okay. How are you?
I am doing wonderful. Thanks for asking. We'll discuss all about additional benefits and subsidies that you can qualify from the marketplace without any cost to you. Do you have any health insurance through the marketplace or not?
Oh, I have Blue Cross Blue Shield.
Oh, that's great, sir. You're perfectly eligible for the additional benefits. So just make you to qualify. May I know your age? How old are you?
I'm 52.
Okay, 52-year-old. Okay, at the age of 52, you don't have Medicare, TRICARE, or any type of job insurance, right, sir?
I don't have Medicare. I don't have Medicaid. And even though I was once in the military, I don't have VA or TRICARE. What happened is I was stationed as a guard at the U.S. Embassy in Islamabad, and I got a call from my aunt in America saying a call center worker in Rawalpindi stole her life savings. So I became angry, and I went AWOL, and I liberated the limousine of the U.S. ambassador to Pakistan, and then I drove 50 minutes. Hello? Hello? Please like and subscribe. Thank you.